How to create invoice on PayPal. So all you have to do is to go to your desktop and open your PayPal application here. So it's actually better if you use your desktop. It's way more simpler than using it via phone. So here on your desktop, now the next thing that you want to do is to go here to your dashboard. First is you have to of course launch your PayPal and then just type in your email and then your password. Now you have to log in your account. Now after logging in, you will see these options here. You will see dashboard, send a request, wallet, activity, and help. Tap on dashboard here. Now once you tap on your dashboard here, you will see these options here. You'll see add card or bank and then create an invoice, or just tap on there. The three dots there, you'll see three dots, tap on that and then create an invoice. Now you will be redirected here, just wait for a while. So this serves as like a receipt, or how could your receivers is, for example, you send a money, it's actually like a receipt to your recipient. So you can add the bill to here and then the item, for example, they bought a phone from you, so just type there iPhone purchase and then add a description there and then the price and then add tax. So basically it depends the tax there, and then here you'll see 70,000 there, and then you can send a message to your customer. And then you can actually, for the payment options, it's either you can allow partial payment or you can allow tip. And then for the invoice date, you can actually manipulate here, and on receipt here, just manipulate everything. If you have a logo for your store, you can also add there. For your currency, you can change it here. For example, for quantity here, template, this is the template for quantity. Right now, if you set it to hours, the template would be like this. And basically that is how you create invoice on PayPal. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, give it some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.